What did I hit? Oh my god, yeah. You gotta get that on camera. Way off. Yeah, right there. Yeah, I should go slower through here, eh? There we go. Stop going around these parts. I think we might be beach. Try getting right. On. First time through, no waders. Do you remember any challenges coming up here?
Yep, here comes the sewer line.
That's literally like a city pipe.
Pipe?
That's no joke, man. What's a pipe in the middle of a river? Oh, yeah. Talk to me. We're good. There we go. We're free. Just like that. I love it. You're like, yeah, we're clear. Boom! I think we're going.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What should I do? Just slam the front into it?
Yeah.
Like full ramming speed or just half? Oh my god! Oh, I should probably pay attention to the boat instead of the bird.
Something special, even though it's not real.
Yeah.
There we go.
Ooh, are we gonna touch it?
I touched myself.
What's the picture? Want to grapple? Oh yeah! Got this thing on the top of it. That thing's smoking. Is the blade way too tight or something? Like the second you touch it to a log, it starts on fire.
The blade just grabs the log and doesn't spin.
Can you kick it? Give it a good old kick. There you go. Good B-roll of your feet.
Oh, Christ. I'm wondering if wrenching on it when it was stuck warped that. I'm kind of thinking that's it.
You gotta be shitting me, man. Floating. I think that's exactly what we need. So now we gotta do something with this guy so we can sort of slide in the side.
You know what?
Did you sneak something on the boat that I don't know about? What the hell is that? There we go. Look at that. Now we just can't get that out. Explain what kind of knot that is to the people.
This is an end over 3050.
There we go. Success. The key part of the end over triple nifty knot is it's easy to undo. What are we doing with our lives?
Falling out of control. Why are you telling you that?
Clearly. I want to yank on this thing.
To what end?
I'm gonna try and peel it back. Open the door for us. Open that door. Oh, Jesus. Dude, we're creating the biggest pile behind us. It's gonna be a long ride home.
We're just encircling ourselves.
Exactly. No. Oh, God. This is what I grabbed. I think we're just pinching. If we could push this guy back, maybe we can shake it up a little. Here, hold on to me. Hold me close. Baby, hold on to me. Look at the synergy. We got a ramming stick. There you go. Ah, damn it, I broke the chainsaw.
Give it a go. Timber.
Got it?
Yeah, well, no.
You okay? Ah. Well, fix that bad boy. Dude, there's so much stuff behind us. Kind of making me nervous, man. It's gonna rain, and we blocked ourselves in. We take shelter for a while. It says rain ending at Friday, 8 p.m. Thunderstorms, which sucks because we're in a metal box. They just anchor us here and then want to eat a bunch of food. Food time. What's the main course? Kind of seems like a Dinty Moore day. I don't know how to work this thing.
Threw the propane onto that arm.
Doing something. How do we light it?
Use one of them torches if you got it.
Torches? You didn't tell me there's no on-off switch? Let me put the Dinty more in first, okay?
Why?
We'll take baby steps.
Okay.
Come on. Oh, yeah. Alright, what am I doing here? Yeah, we need to simmer the Dinty. Oh, just simmer it up. I don't cook. I'm an eater. Man, it's pouring rain. The only thing I'm worried about is lightning. That would not be cool. That one was kind of close. This is not good. Dog bowl. Dinner. That's it. Hold on. Let's explain what the hell you're doing.
Time to drain the tube.
There we go. Oh, let's go. Oh, there we go. Back to the beef.
Now what?
Tidbits, man. Tidbits.
Pineapple tidbits. Better than chunks, better than slices, tidbit.
I just seduced the camera. Rain's not letting up.
Radar just like starting to stop him.
Trash time in the city. Trash time, cause people are shitty.
So I'm keeping this saw at an angle like that. It's stupid to have to use it like that. If we could magically cut that and that by the root ball, that'd be awesome. How deep is that?
That's not deep. Not even to my butthole.
Waders? Want to give me that bow saw? Let me go at it. There might be a leak in my foot. It's clear for a while up there.
There's no point to be doing that.
I know.
We can hit that with the chainsaw whenever we get up there.
I know. When I started cutting there, started one there, started one there. It's all over the place. I found a big old spider. Come on, do something. Where's that damn spider again? Is the rain done? Let's get that chainsaw kicking over here. Where's that spider at? I wonder what happened if I get on the far end. I thought I was about to shred that thing instead of just sank. Jump out of this thing like a damn spider monkey.
It's getting there. Can you push and pull the main branch left and right instead of up and down?
We could just get rid of this one, and this whole thing's gonna open up.
Mark. Chainsaw it.
Chainsaw. Oh, she's moving.
What happens when we just keep trying to push it forward instead of rocking it? Nothing.
Today's login is sponsored by Fat Free Half and Half. Half milk, half Clinton River water.
Maybe going the other way.
Oh, victory! Now I won't move. Oh, we're hitting that other log.
Really hope that grapple hook is holding.
Yeah. Dude, I hope that grappling hook holds, and then you send the torpedoes at the boat repeatedly. If lightning hits this water right now, do we get electrocuted?
Oh, we good.
Damn it! start shaking it.
Oh, I just ripped a huge hole in my leg.
Oh no! Just water's pouring in. Yeah. My right leg is soaking wet. My left one's totally dry.
How is this not breaking?
This is the strongest tree ever.
This is done. There's no reason this shouldn't be floating. Can you hand me on snippers? Send it.
There's something so satisfying about setting a log. You think we can push this thing a little further and get the boat through? How is this thing not breaking? I swear to God, if we get pushing, first thing we're doing is get the underwater chainsaw, dude.
This is kind of floating now.
It's our anchor. Oh no. Oh, I quit. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, no. Oh, it's just in my nuts. I quit. Oh, this sucks. I was about to pull the boat through there, and now I'm not going to. This is miserable. Oh my God. There's steam coming off my body because it's so hot. How is there no water coming out of these things?
You soaked it all up.
Hi, doggy. Hey, good boy. There's a couple dogs.
Hell of a boat.
Thank you.
You guys build that?
Yeah.
Solar powered and everything. What are you up to?
Clearing out log jams and trash out of the river.
That'd be good. That's a hell of a clever craft.
My cot was high enough that both my legs have been full of water this entire time.
Oh my God, dude. We had a rough day today. Oh my God. Oh, this is miserable. What is it, 50 degrees out? And I'm walking around barefoot on a wet deck. I'm gonna go straight at it. Things got weird. Things got weird today. I'm wearing my boxers and hot boots. This mega dam. Oh, I hope we can just get through here. Can I slow down? Yeah, probably. We free? Heads up. Dude, get your ass in here and fire up some ravioli. Oh my God, it's so warm and cozy in here now. I think there's a couple of rocks, so heads up. There you go. Is it like boiling hot?
I'd give it a couple blows.
Lava hot ravioli after falling in the river.
Yeah.
What'd you do Friday night? I just went on a slow romantic cruise. My boxers. Eating a bowl of ravioli. Soaking wet.